Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, opo, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, so ito po yung kanyang FB page. Don't forget to follow. Thank you. And yes, oo, sa mga may gusto na magpagamot, oo, yan, ganyan. So, i-refer namin si Kuya Dingsi. So, pwede niyang gamutin, physical, spiritual, kulam, and mga sanib. Okay, so yan po yung mga kaya niya. And I don't know, pwedeng magtanong rin naman kayo sa kanya kung wala sa nabanggit ko, yung mga ipapagamot ninyo. Okay? So, ibibigay po namin yung details niya pag po nag-reach out kayo, kapag po tinanong nyo kami. Okay? So, yeah, yun lang. And syempre, pagdating naman sa ating mga Evil Eye items. So, ito ang ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet. Available in red and black string. So, ito po ay merong initial na inilalagay namin. Oo. So, initial po ng name ng magmamayari. This is adjustable. Okay? Unisex. Okay? So, ito naman ang ating Evil Eye ring. So, ganyan siya. Non-tarnish, adjustable, and hypoallergenic. Yes. And, yeah. So, dalawa po, no? Yung ating design ng bracelet. So, ito yung isa. Ang kaibahan lang, ito po ay garterized. So, ito ay unisex rin po, katulad nitong ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet. So, ang ating namang sunod na item is yung ating Evil Eye necklace. So, yan. Kung ang inyong gusto ay necklace. Kasi, yes, some of, yung mga followers, oo, kahit mga lalaki, nabili nito. I don't know, baka ginagawa nilang gift, no? So, yeah, okay lang din naman. Basta po sasabihin, no, kung kanino po ibibigay. Okay? Para mabanggit po yung pangalan every time na mayroon na kaming ginagawa sa inyong item. Okay? So, this is non-tarnish. Okay? This is hypoallergenic and meron po itong extender. So, ganyan po siya, no? And again, pagdating naman sa ating the granter, no? Si the granter natin, tanong na lang po, no? Kay admin. Oo, ang pinaka-the best, ang lagi, no? Frequent question ng ating mga subscriber is, ano po bang meron kay the granter? Tingnan nyo na lang po pagdating sa name. Ano bang meron sa the granter? Ano bang Tagalog sa granter? Taga-grant. Okay? Yan na po. No, ano bang kaya niyang gawin? To grant. Kung ano man ang gusto mo. And syempre, hindi naman lahat ng gusto mo is dapat ibigay. Kung sa tingin ni granter is pwedeng ibigay sa'yo, ibibigay at ibibigay niya. Okay? Ibibigay at ibibigay niya. Pero syempre, maging responsable po yung mga nakakuha na po ng granter necklace. Please be responsible. Okay? Hindi lahat kailangan hilingin. Okay? Lalo na kung alam nyong makakasama. Please. Okay? Sinasabi ko nga palagi, be careful what you wish for because you might just get it. Okay? So, be responsible owner ng the grantor. Okay? So, kung may mga tanong pa po message na lang po kayo sa atin pong FB page and si admin na lang yung sasagot. Okay? I don't know kung ilan na lang ang natitirang grantor necklace ko. I don't know. Tanong na lang po kayo. Una-unahan na lang. Kasi sabi ko anong nakaraan, 10 na lang yun. Pero ang nakikita ko, parang, okay. Message na lang kayo. No? Oo. So, okay. Let's start. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Ano bang meron? Okay. Messages na kailangan malaman ng mga air signs. Okay. The King of Pentacles. This is kaperahan. This is abundance. Okay. Some of you, this is responsibilities. What's with that? Oh. Some of you may energy rito na pwedeng aalis, lalarga, na may kasamang work-related, o trip, work-related, parang ganyan, okay? So, some of you, may pag-level up, okay? Pagdating po sa kaperahan. Yes, the King of Pentacles and the Six of Swords, this is leveling up. Okay? Parang iiwanan na siguro yung mga nakasanayan pagdating sa kaperahan, and then magkakaroon ng leveling up. Okay? Yeah, see? Death. This is changes. Yeah, claim it. Okay. Air sign. What else for you? Air signs. Okay. The Hermit. Some of you, andito yung pwedeng dadalaw kayo sa doktor nyo, papacheck up, mga ganyan. Okay? The Hermit. May papatingin, may consult like that. That's specific. Okay? What's with the Hermit? The Judgment, yes. Oo, the Judgment Universe. May mga magpapagamot. Parang ganyan. Parang para mabigyang lunas. Okay? Para po mabigyang lunas. Yeah. The Three of Pentacles Universe. Iba rito, hindi po hindi, tawag dyan, hindi normal yung mga naramdaman ninyo. Okay? Hindi po normal. Okay. What else? Air sign. The Nine of Pentacles. This is pre-empress energy. This is responsibilities. This is commitments. Okay? Someone will sabihin nating haharap sa responsibilidad. Commitments. Okay? Oh my God. Nakakuha ko ng energy dito ng pregnancy. Mga air signs. Okay? Energy ng pregnancy. Kahit wala akong nakikita ditong empress. Okay? Kasi empress, yun ang pregnancy energy, yung earth's, Queen of Pentacles, yan yung mga yon. Okay? May magpapacheck up dito. Maybe. Kasi pwedeng may mga nararamdaman na hindi okay. May pagbabago. Yeah, I'm seeing pregnancy here. And I think, unexpected ito. Okay po. Unexpected pregnancy ang nakukuha ko po rito. Yes. May magsasabi sa magulang na sila ay preggy. May ganun po. So, hindi nyo na-expect. So, some of you, maybe, may mga anak kayo na harap na sa mga commitments. That's specific. Okay? Ang nakuha ko sa this is blessing. Pregnancy is blessing. Okay? Kasi hindi lahat nagkakaanak, actually. 'Di ba? The Nine of Wands, sabi yan. The Nine of Cups. This is wish fulfillment. Okay? The wish fulfillment. Yeah. This is nice. Iba sa inyo, pagdating sa pera po, darating at darating yung oras na sabihin nating as simple as hindi na kayo titingin sa price tag. Tag price ng mga binamimili ninyo, basta na lang dampot. Dahil may freedom na pagdating sa finances. Yes. Again, the Empress. See? May energy talaga eh. Nagpakita siya, nandito lang siya. The Empress. Some of you po may tagong pregnancy rito. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so there. Next. The fire signs. Yan, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. So, what's with you, fire signs? Anong mga kailangan yung malaman? Shuffle lang natin ng kauntian, ha? Okay, wag kayo mainip. Kaunti lang. Okay. Habang nagsha-shuffle ako, wag kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Okay? And follow. So, ano bang meron for you, fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Strength. This is Leo energy. Giving effort, putting effort. Okay, so what's with that? The Devil in reversed. Okay, this is both major arcana. Yeah. I think, ang nakuha ko rito, fire sign is, be patient. Just be patient. Ang nakuha ko dito. Okay? Kasi kapag yung parang ifo-force ninyo, yung something na gustong-gusto ninyo, lalong masisira eh. Okay? So, you need to be more patient. Kung ano man tong ginugusto ninyo, just go with the flow. Okay? Yeah. What else? Some of you, there's a Capricorn who is holding back. Avoiding you, maybe, or blocking you. Okay. What else? Fire signs. Judgment in reverse. Scorpio energy. And the Two of Wands in reverse. So, there's an energy na pwedeng cycle na mag-end. Okay? Meron ditong uuwi, galing sa malayo. Yeah, see the Temperance. Patience. Patience. Meron ditong uuwi. Okay? Meron ditong sabihin nating mag-end of contract. Excuse me. Yeah, end of contract. That's specific po. What else? Fire signs. Death. So there's changes coming in. Okay. So what's with death? The Knight of Cups. Iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga babaguhin. Mababago yung taste. Ganyan. No? Okay? Some of you, meron ditong bigla na lang mag-e-end. Like, mag-ghost. May mag-ghost dito. Scorpio, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Like that. They're a player. Hayaan nyo na to. Okay? Kung sino man yan, hayaan nyo na. See? The ghosting. The ghosting. Okay? Nandito lang siya sa pinakaibabaw. The Hermit. Yeah, they're not emotionally maybe serious or into you. So, hayaan nyo na lang kung may mag-end dito na connection na parang sa tingin mo naman ay ka-end-end naman, no? Oo. Okay, meron kayong kailangang talikuran eh. Water sign. Scorpio, water sign. Okay? So, there. A lot of water sign. Yes. Okay. Next, water signs. So, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong kailangang malaman ng mga water signs? Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong messages for you? Okay. The Eight of Swords in reversed. Freedom. Ang naririnig ko dito. Freedom. Okay. Closure. Clarity. Answers. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, may specific ako nakukuha. Makakalabas, makakalaya dahil mapupiyansahan. Okay? Some of you, makakasabihin nating makakalaya na sa mga bayarin. Makakalaya in general. Okay? And ready na. Sabihin natin sa new beginning. Okay? Some of you, you need to let go of the past burden, the past trauma, or maybe you need to heal yourself from those. No? Okay? Unexpected na parating na pera ang nakukuha ko rito. May magbabayad. Parang ganyan. May magbabayad. Okay. Someone will reach out. Someone. Pwedeng earth sign with air. Okay. Temperance in reversed. Out of balance. Sagittarius placement. Someone is so impatient. Yeah, strength. Meron na ditong like gagawa ng action. Nakakakuha ako ng arguments dito. Okay, nakakakuha ko ng, see? The arguments, the problems, the drama. Nakakakuha ako ng ganyan dito, ha? Avoid. Okay, you need to avoid yung ganitong energy. Yeah. Some of you, before magsalita, dapat alam niyo yung sasabihin. Like, yes, 'di ba? Nakakatawa yung salitang 'yon, pero yung iba kasi nagsasalita hindi naman actually alam ang sinasabi. Okay? Some of you need to be more transparent. Yeah, transparent. There's an offer coming in. Okay? Na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo pagdating sa financial mo. What else? Water signs. The Four of Cups in reversed. Kailangang ma-release yung pressure, yung tension. Okay? Someone is, sabihin natin parang isip ng isip sa'yo. Yeah, isip ng isip. Oh. Kaya pala. So this person, sabihin natin kung sino man ito, pwedeng you still have emotions for them. Maybe. Okay? Someone far away from you. Or pwedeng naghihintay ka lang for them. What's with this Two of Wands? May gustong magsabi ng totoong emosyon. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Someone nagkaroon kayo ng ang tawag dyan, failure. Nakakakuha ko dito ng makeup sex for some of you. There's a makeup sex na mangyayari in the near future for some of you. Okay? Iba rito, pwedeng makakuha ng new connection. And ang nakukuha ko is like, magsisimula ito as, sabihin nating, F-body. Ano po yung F-body? Ayoko pong sabihin. Opo, no? Oo, kwakwakan muna bago relasyon. Parang ganon. I cannot. Okay. Next. Tawan-tawa. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, anong meron? Messages for Earth signs, please. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. The Fool in reversed. May kailangan aksyonan dito. Oh, the Knight of Wands in reverse. Yeah, maybe yung mga failures, yung mga planong hindi may execute. Okay, trying to avoid kasi, yeah, nandun yung takot, nandun yung mga maraming tanong, anong mangyayari kung ganito, anong mangyayari pag ganyan. Tsaka mo lang malaman kapag inaksyonan mo na. Kapag ginawa mo yung first step. Okay? Be careful with the fire sign here. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, be careful. The Knight of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the Empress. I'm seeing pregnancy for some of you na hindi naman totally planado. Okay, so if you're ready, do it. Pero kung hindi, be careful. Okay? Yeah. Kasi pwedeng ikaw ready na. Pwedeng ganun din. Like, ready ka na and then yung isa is hindi. Dapat napapag-usapan, dapat napagpaplanuhan, no? Okay. Unprotected sex. Ang nakuha ko. Unprotected. Okay. Earth signs. Oh my golly. Okay. The Eight of Wands. Okay, so that's an energy of travel, actions, messages. Okay. So, ano ito? The Four of Pentacles. Yeah, some of you may chance na gumastos pagdating sa isang travel. Ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Nakakita ko dito may nagbubook. Or, ang tawag dyan, yeah, ng plane ticket. Mga ganyan. Oh, okay. Anyway. What else? Meron dito mag-open up. Meron dito magsasabi ng totoong emosyon through message. Message lang po ha, hindi to direct. Okay? What else? The Six of Pentacles in reversed. Pagbabayad. Pwedeng may magbabayad sa'yo, Earth signs, or pwedeng ikaw itong magbabayad. Tingnan natin the Six of Pentacles in reverse. The Four of Swords. Okay. May nakuha ko ditong one-sided na connection na pwedeng mahantong sa separation. Okay? Earth sign, air sign. Yeah. This is separation. This is rest. A pause. Yeah, strength in reversed. So, kasi pwedeng hindi na nga nagkakaroon ng magandang flow. No, yung connection. Yeah, the Queen of Cups in reverse. Some of you pwedeng same gender to. Okay? Hindi na kayo nagkakaroon ng mutual understanding ng taong ito. Okay? So, some of you, you're waiting. Okay? Or maybe, there's an air sign waiting na magkaroon ng magandang kooperasyon galing sa'yo. That's specific. Okay, so there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again po, no? Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And syempre po follow our FB page. Okay, so yeah. Yun lamang. And again, yung mga sinabi ko bago mag-start ang reading, again, message lang sa ating FB page para mas maganda. Para may bigay namin, yung mga details na gusto nyo, no? So, yun lang. Goodbye.